Hi friends, and welcome back to the Alicante Real Estate YouTube channel. My name is Vadim, and on this channel you'll find the hottest offers and the best market price in the Alicante region for properties. Today I'm not showing you typical villa, house or apartment, what I'm usually showing you on this channel. Today I'm located in a very specific area, and I'm showing you today a plot which is for sale for just 119,000 euros with over 10,000 square meters of plot. The plot is located very close to the beach. It's very close to the Guardamar beach, to the Guardamar Natural Park with all the pine trees. Very close to the Bosque Animado restaurant in Guardamar, very close. You're like 3 minutes away walking, or like even 1 minute away, depends how fast you walk. And this plot, actually, we had a client for it, and he had the confirmation, this is what he told to me, that actually he can build something here on this plot. I mean, in theory, if something is rural or not urbanizable, where you cannot build something, then you can build 2% of at least 10,000 square meters what the plot has to offer you. Okay, so in theory you can build 200 square meters here on this plot. But if not, then you can use this plot and put a removable property, a removable house on this plot and use it in a very private way. Okay, means you can put a removable house with no base and a pool, jacuzzi. So you can put, for example, a house from wood or any other material here on this plot. Like a couple of videos ago, I think 2 months ago, we made a video about some eco houses. I'm showing you now some pictures and videos of it. And there you could buy a house and put it here for in between 80,000 and 150,000 euros. So this is actually allowed, okay? But if you want to construct something, then you have to ask the town hall if you can build 2% of the plot size there. And this plot size is allowing you, in theory, building something like this here. Why it's so special? Because we are in a special area. Imagine where we are. You're buying over 10,000 square meters in this area, close to the beach, close to the Guardamar beach. It's one of the best beaches actually in the area, because the beach is offering you wide kilometers of way you can walk, and it's very bright with a lot of sun. You can take a sun bath there. There's a pine tree park there, and as well as some natural parks. The wild beach is also there. La Mata is there, like 10 minutes away by car, or even 5 minutes. Guardamar is here 5 minutes away. So you're actually in the prestigious area of the Alicante south coast. Okay, so buying at this area 10,000 square meters is actually something very good, especially for the price of 119,000 euros. So on the left side there's a plot. We have even some electricity there. In theory, you have to talk to the town hall. We can help you to do that. There's electricity, and if they allow you to build something here, you can use and connect to this electricity. And somewhere there, the owner told me, but I didn't find it, somewhere there at the end where actually the trees are, there should be some water, because on the other hand, there are some fields which are needing water to feed all the plants here in the back. Also special about this plot is we are on the hill, and we have some views over the salt lakes. We have views over the fields, and it's very green around here. A lot of palm trees as well. The N332, the main road from the airport, is directly behind these bushes. So you can, like 40 minutes away, you're going there, leaving the street, and you are on the plot. The street is normal, you can drive through it. It won't make you any problems coming here. So the connection is fine. And the real road is like 100 meters away from this not real road. I don't know how to call that. Anyway, friends, 119,000, 10,000 square meters of plot. I think this is a good opportunity to buy something here in the area. And if you want to buy it, or if you have any questions, and you can send me a message. And by the way, there's also a very good restaurant over there, walking distance, like 2 minutes away, the Bosque Animado of Guardamar, and it's very popular and very tasty. I like it myself, and it has a very nice vibe of natural, of like a lot of plants, a lot of trees, so it's very beautiful. Okay, so the plot is here. I hope you liked it, and if you want to see more plots, comment this video, subscribe my Instagram. Down below in the description, find my Instagram. And I hope I see you soon. If you have any questions, send me a message. and we'll be helping you through all the process to buy this plot, and even talk to the town hall to build your dream home or help you to find some movable homes on this plot. I see you soon, friends, in sunny Spain.